Hello beautiful people, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and stick with me to the end of the video to see how the look turns out. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you.
So if you've stayed up until this point, thank you so much for watching. You are the real G. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share the video, like the video, and leave me some love in the comment section below. Bye. See you in my next video.